First of all, drag the background image in V1 frame. Now drag that video which background you want to remove in V2 frame. Go to editing bar. Select the video effect. Select keying option. Drag the Ultra key option to the video. Go to effect control menu. Pick the color from video which you want to remove. Just positioning our video to show the natural clip. Yes, the background is removed. To adjust the minor dots, select the alpha option. This option will show you each dot of your video. We had solid background video, so there is no any dot, but if you see any dot in your video you can remove it by adjusting through matte generation. Use the tolerance, transparency, highlight, pedestal options to get a fine video. Or you can use built-in options of default, relaxed. If your video background has mixed colors, you can use aggressive settings. We added a static background in our video. Now we will add moving graphics in our video as background. Go to assembly bar. Add the graphics video to V1. And do the same steps as we done above. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. If this video helped you, then please like and share it.